How many of the digital gold rushes did you miss out on while other people got rich? From the dot-com boom, the social media boom, the paid ad boom, heck, even the Bitcoin and crypto boom. If you missed out on the opportunity to get $10,000 a month or more with any or all of those, you need to watch this video and read everything below right now because the latest digital boom is here. But it's a window of opportunity that you must grab right now because you don't have long. My name's Dean Holland, and if you're watching this video with me, I'm assuming that you want to make money online, but you're sick and tired of all the fake guru bullshit that's spread around on the internet. Those rented Lambos, the make money while you sleep doing nothing nonsense, the overhyped courses that taught you nothing. Well, here's the thing. I've been making money online since 2009, and together with my business partner Craig, we've generated more than $20 million in sales. We've also helped over 1,300 people actually make real money online. Not fake money, not potential money, real money hitting their bank accounts. And right now, today, we're watching something else unfold that reminds me of every other digital gold rush that we've witnessed over the past 2 decades. But here's what I want you to think about for a second. When the internet first exploded in the late 90s, early 2000s, smart people helped local businesses get online and made absolute fortunes doing so. But I'm guessing you missed out on that opportunity, right? Then social media took off, the likes of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms. Now, there was early movers who helped local businesses get onto these platforms and they got filthy rich. But I'm guessing you missed out on that one too. Then online advertising became essential and Google ads, Facebook ads exploded. And the people setting up those profitable campaigns for businesses, they cleaned up and made millions. But let me guess, you missed that opportunity too. And don't even get me started on Bitcoin. When it was $100, $1,000, even $10,000 or $50,000, you probably thought, nah, don't get it. It's too risky, or I'll wait and see what happens. Am I right? Look, I'm not trying to make you feel bad here. I'm trying to wake you up by pointing out the reality because I've watched this movie happen over and over again for 2 decades, and I know exactly how this ends. The early adopters get rich and wealthy, whilst the skeptics get left behind, and those I'll wait and see people get absolutely nothing. And right now, today, the exact same pattern is playing out again, but this time, you don't have to miss out because you're here. You're watching this video right now, meaning you're in the right place at the perfect time. So this time, you don't have to miss out. The opportunity I'm talking about involves something that you likely see every day, something you've possibly even used multiple times this week or month. I'm talking about QR codes. Now look, yes, stick with me. I know what you're thinking. QR codes, seen it all before. But if you just had that thought, sorry, but you're about to feel really stupid because whilst most people don't think about QR codes much beyond those little black and white squares they see, smart people, the same type of people who got rich from every other digital boom that you missed, are quietly positioning themselves to cash in on what's about to become a $28.6 billion industry. Now I want you to look around right now. I'm serious. Actually take a look around in your day-to-day life. You're going to see QR codes everywhere. They're on TV commercials. They're on restaurant and cafe tables. They're on business cards. They're on magazines. They're in storefronts. They're literally staring you in the face every single day. And every single one represents money that you're not making yet. But here's the crazy part. Think about this. There are 33.2 million small businesses in the United States alone. 71% of those businesses currently have websites. That's over 23 million local businesses that will need QR codes as a gateway to their websites. Now, you only need 50 of those 23 million people, and you could be making $10,000 a month in recurring income. Yes, I'll say that again. 50 customers out of 23 million possibilities. Now, that's not hope. That's not wishful thinking. That's mathematical certainty. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need to have your own products with this opportunity. You don't need tech skills or prior experience. You don't need to be building complex funnels. If you can point and click, you can do this. But here's what I need you to understand. This window of opportunity won't stay open forever because just like all those other opportunities you missed, the difference here is this time you're here. This time you know about it before the masses catch on. This time you can be one of the early adopters instead of watching from the sidelines. And I'm going to show you exactly how to capitalize on the QR code boom during our monthly money masterclass event. But I'm only going to show a limited group of people, and we're only doing this masterclass experience once. It starts on September 1st, and when it's over, it's gone forever. Now look, I could be charging $500 for this. Heck, I could be charging a lot more, but we're doing something that's probably crazy. For the next people who grab a spot before we close this down, it's just $19. No, I didn't make a mistake there. $19 plus I'm backing it up with our double stack guarantee. You can come to the entire whole day one. You can see what this is all about. And if you don't see yourself making serious monthly money, let me know before day two begins and I'll give you all the money back without any questions asked. So let me pose this to you. How many more opportunities are you going to slip through your fingers? How many more times are you going to look back and say, I should have jumped on that one when I had the chance? Now, the QR code boom is happening, and it's happening now with or without you. The only question is, will you finally be one of the smart ones who gets rich from a digital boom? Or is this going to be one of those you add to your growing list of missed opportunities? Everything you need to know about this is below this video on this page. Read every single word. Like I say, this window of opportunity is not here forever, and when it closes, you'll have to live with another missed opportunity if you don't grab it now. Don't let that happen. There is a massive, massive opportunity, and many, many people are going to get absolutely rich from the QR code boom. This is essentially all about helping businesses adopt the QR code boom and provide them with QR codes to be able to make a lot of money. And on the Monthly Money Masterclass, I'm going to be showing you how with as little as 50 customers, even if you have zero experience right now, you could be making $10,000 a month or more. Read everything below, secure your place in the masterclass, and I'll see you on September 1st.